Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by past. So I will put about u equals to s. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this dv that is about this one. So the integration of this one that is about 1 over 1 over 3 e to the power of 1 over 3s, and this one we have number 3. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have number 3 I will put in here, and now we have the integration e to the power of 1 over 3s ds, and this one we have number 3 e to the power of 1 over 3s, and I will put about c. Number 3 and number 3 we have number 9. This is the end. Thank you for watching.